You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the Polygon. At Weather Call, we make the Polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 3rd of May. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather just like a summer day today. The sun out in spots, a few folks getting rain, some thunder, your classic case of random, scattered showers and storms. In fact, let's begin with the radar. The showers are over the northern half of the state mostly, and you can see that, again, they're typically small, producing some thunder in spots. A little bit of lightning, but many locations are dry with a partly sunny sky. And that's the kind of radar we expect almost every day in June, July, and August around here. We always say every day scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms, and that's what we mean. And, of course, there's no way in advance of knowing exactly when and where these things pop up. And that's pretty much the classic situation there. Let's quickly peek down in South Alabama. And we do have a few showers down across the southwestern counties of the state. A few showers coming up through Mobile, Baldwin, Clark, and Monroe counties, but most of South Alabama rain-free. And generally speaking, the better chance of getting one of these showers over the next few days will be across the northern counties of the state. These will gradually fade later this evening once the sun goes down. So again, we'll check that again before we go. We're live here, by the way, at 3:04 this afternoon. This is the upper air look across the country. Ridge on the east coast. A little short wave approaching from the west, helping to aid in the development of the showers today. And a strong upper low up north. In fact, I saw a photo of some snow in South Dakota today in Rapid City. So there's the visible satellite view, and it's a mix of sun and clouds today. Whenever we say that, that's what we mean. For some, the sun is out. For others, it's cloudy. And again, here's the broader radar composite. You can see the rain a little more widespread over Mississippi. And we'll keep an eye on that, see if that tries to move in here later this evening. A lot of outdoor events happening tonight and tomorrow and Sunday as well. Just be aware that a decent chunk of the weekend will be dry, but you will have the chance of a passing shower from time to time. Warm again today, mostly 80s on the board. A few spots in the 70s where showers are in progress. For example, Gadsden's got 77. Birmingham at 84. 87 for Montgomery and Dothan. Here's the watch warning map around the nation today. A flash flood watch for much of Oklahoma. I have a tornado watch for parts of West Texas. The county's in yellow on that map. Also a flash flood watch for parts of Southeast Texas and parts of Louisiana. And out west, wind issues for Nevada and some of the adjacent states. So again, more active convection west of Alabama. We see no severe weather problems here anytime soon. An enhanced risk of severe weather through tonight for parts of West Texas. The broader risk running from the Rio Grande up into the Great Plains states. This is tomorrow, and again, an enhanced risk in parts of West Texas. The marginal risk extends all the way up to Chicago. Day 3, which is Sunday, a marginal risk, including places like Dallas-Fort Worth, Little Rock, and Shreveport. Let's keep going. Day 4, this is Monday, an enhanced risk over Kansas and some of the adjacent states. Day 5, Tuesday, a risk of severe storms from near Texarkana to Chicago and Indianapolis. And on day 6, Wednesday, a risk of severe storms west of here. But again, thankfully, we just don't see a major severe weather problem here, at least for the next 7 to 10 days, the way it looks now. But keep in mind, our tornado season does extend through the end of May. But we're thankful it's been just really, really calm this year so far. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. And again, a really big gradient here across the state. The Tennessee Valley, rain amounts 1 to 2 inches. The Gulf Coast, basically nothing. Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, 1/2 to 1 inch. Montgomery, 0.2 of an inch. So let's go through new modeling here, model fans. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And again, we've got the ridge off the Atlantic coast, big upper low coming into California and Oregon. But kind of a flat ridge here. And the air is going to be soupy, and it'll be a lot like today. A mix of sun and clouds with a chance of scattered showers, mainly over the northern half of the state. But checking the high-res HER, just not much out there. In fact, this is almost suggesting the better chance of a shower could be down south on this run. This is the 18Z run, valid at 5 o'clock tomorrow. And again, we stress the radar will not look exactly like that. It's just one of the limitations, this air mass convection we see on summer days. And again, this is a summer-like pattern here. So just warm, humid, some sun. There could be a shower during the day, but certainly no washout. Really the same thing on Sunday. Chance of showers scattered, random. Highs in the 80s, some sun. Go to Monday, evidence the better chance of showers near the Tennessee state line. It's pretty much the same thing on Tuesday, mostly dry, highs well up in the 80s. Wednesday, at this point, looks dry, and we might touch 90 in spots. And on Thursday, once again, most of the state dry. Highs upper 80s to near 90. And a week from today, this is Friday, May 10th, troughing to the north and west, and a front tries to push in here, and that might bring a little better chance of showers at the end of next week, a week from today. But again, no evidence of any really big, heavy, widespread rain or severe weather problems for now. Let's go out 10 days. What do you say? This is Monday, May 13th. Pretty impressive trough developing over the eastern states, and at this rate, we will be in a cooler and drier air mass in 10 days. We've had some fairly decent consistency in that idea. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. On that chart, you're looking for the green line, and the numbers are coming up. And like we talked about this morning, that's a good thing. You want to get some good soil moisture in place before the long, hot summer gets here. This is suggesting rain amounts between 3 and 4 inches for Birmingham between now and the 18th of May. We'll stay in the 80s for a while through all of next week. But again, notice the cool down that weekend of May 12th and May 13th. Highs going in the 70s and lows going in the 50s with lower humidity values. And look at here, brand new CPC outlook, and that's a different look. This is for May 11th through May 17th. All of a sudden, the red replaced by the blue. And if this is right, temperatures here would be a little below average. And in May, June, July, August, that's not a bad thing. Hey, let's roll that Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Ooh, yes. I love this school. Cherokee Elementary, Gunnersville, Marshall County, home of those Gunnersville Wildcats, and we had a great, great time today. Oh, man. And look at these cookies. Love the Alabama State Bird. That's outstanding. And once again, some very well-dressed students. I like the look here. But the administrative team, the teachers, they are just so great. And those kids could not have been better today. Great listeners, great learners. So again, to all the kids at Cherokee Elementary School, Gunnersville, Marshall County, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You guys are looking good. All right, one more time. Let's check the radar. Pick out your town there. See how you're faring on the showers across the state. Expand it out just a little bit. And again, you can see the better coverage north of Interstate 20. Certainly not raining everywhere. But within those shower bands, we have a little thunder in spots. And if you get underneath one of these things, it'll rain heavily for a few minutes, and then it just moves on by. That's one, maybe a different thing we're seeing today compared to a summer day. They're moving along. On summer days, they pop up and they just sit there and rain themselves out. Got a little southwest flow aloft here, moving the showers and storms to the northeast. So we got something planned outdoors. Just understand we've got that going on. And we do note the coverage a little higher back in Mississippi. So again, we'll watch that as it comes in here. But those should diminish later tonight. And again, for the weekend, some sun, random, scattered showers. It's just getting to be that time of the year. So don't forget, we have a book signing tomorrow in Birmingham. Yeah, the market at Pepper Place on 2nd Avenue South. If you've never been, that's a really remarkable setup there when they do the market on Saturdays. They have all these farmers. They'll come in with fresh produce and fruits and everything, and it's just outstanding. You'll have all these vendors, and we're going to be there from 10 until noon. I'm actually going to speak for a few minutes about 9:45. And the book signing 10 to noon. You can get a personally signed copy of All You Can Do Is Pray. That's our book about the generational tornado outbreak of April 27, 2011. Weathering Life, My Story. Our children's books are great. Benny and Chipper, All You Can Do Is Pray, Prepared Not Scared. Prepared Not Scared, and The Wonder of Thunder. And the shirts, the hats, all that cool stuff from Crest Publishers. So again, that'll be tomorrow at the market at Pepper Place in Birmingham. From 10 until noon, we hope to see you there. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News, right across the hall in Studio A at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.